So I posted this on Threads just a couple days ago, and it got probably the most engagement I've ever gotten on the thread. I'm not telling you I'm going to be a Threads guru anytime soon because I'm still working on how to like put all of my words into 1 to 2 sentences. But there was a lot of people in this comment section not only agreeing, but there was several beginners that were asking me, how do you get authentic engagement? I will tell you that is an entire section of tomorrow's From Views to Revenue Masterclass. So if you're not already registered for the masterclass, I would save your seat. The spots are selling very quick, and I'll be breaking down step by step everything you need to do to build your content strategy. And of course, engagement and visibility is part of that. But I want to tell you what I told them, because it's really important that you understand that the grow lives and the follow for follow and just constantly engaging with your niche is, one, not going to bring you sales, but two, it can be hurting your account. So if you are lacking in engagement, meaning people aren't liking your videos, they're not saving your videos, they're not following you from your videos, you need to be focused on these 5 things. 1, your hooks. Your hooks have to speak to the desire of your ideal client, not what's in your package or what's in your offer. Your ideal client's desire is not to go sit down and watch all the modules in your course or to start their business. It's something deeper than that. So when you are talking about all of these elements of your offer, you're only going to attract other people in your niche, and they're selling the same thing as you, so they don't want what you have. Number 2 is connection. So not all of your videos should be you talking at people and, teaching something. A lot of them need to be storytelling, building that connection, letting them know that you know and you understand where they are currently in their life, but also that you know their desires and you're not just trying to sell them something. This all comes down to the framework of how you set up your videos. And again, I'm going to be giving you frameworks in tomorrow's masterclass. Number 3 is authority. So you have to learn how to build your authority and credibility online as someone who knows what the fuck they're talking about. When your content is just regurgitated tips from ChatGPT, they can go Google that shit or use ChatGPT on their own. They need to understand, why are you bringing these tips forward? What results have you gotten or helped other people get with these tips or with the value that you're presenting? And they also need to believe and trust you. And the only way to do that is to have credibility. Number 4 is value. And a lot of people struggle with presenting value in their content because they don't know what is considered valuable. Honestly, anything that can help someone move the needle forward in their life, or something they can take from your video and go start doing in their life, is considered valuable. Also inspiration, motivation, things like that. But it's better to give like action tips. The problem is that you have to set up the framework of your videos to where you hook people to watch them so they can get to your value, and then your call to action has to come back to the problem in the hook. So if you aren't setting up this video in the context to be solution selling, they're not going to buy, and they're not going to engage because they're going to feel like, oh, I've already seen that. That's not different. She doesn't have anything different to offer. I could have just Googled that. And number 5 is your call to action. Your call to action has to make sense. It has to point to why they need to take the action, not just like drop me in the comments. That's not going to work. It has to be transformational. It has to go back to the hook, right? What problem or desire did you promise to solve in the hook? And then how does your call to action relate to that? And if they can't understand what's in it for them to take that action, to save that video, to like that video, to comment your keyword, they're not going to. So there's a lot of ways to increase your engagement on your content, but those are the 5 things I would focus on. And again, if you're not already in the masterclass for tomorrow, I would jump in for less than a cup of coffee. I'm going to give you everything you need to build your content strategy from scratch so that you can be confident in what you're posting. You can wake up every day knowing what to post, and you can finally start making sales from all of the content you're already posting anyway.